Hey guys, I'm back. I'm Sarah, and I'm gonna show you this slime that it actually does work. I used if you want to see, like, it's really it's so pretty, it's so pink. It's like it's like really textury. It like the first day that I made this, it was pretty easy and really sticky. But then, like, a couple hours later, I realized, oh, I'm gonna put some stuff in this. So I kept on mixing it, and it's like I used a bowl, and like I did so yeah. So the materials I needed was I used glitter glue. That's why my hands are like so sparkly. uh, I used glitter glue, Tide, laundry detergent, and lotion. It doesn't matter what kind of scents. I didn't use this kind, but you could use like this kind if you want. But I didn't use it. I used one that smelled pretty good. It was like flowering something. It's like in a red bottle thing. Well, yeah, and it turned out like this. I mixed it a little bit after a few, and it didn't take that long. But like, it's like really stretchy, and like, it's pretty cool. It's the second time I made it, but the first time I made it by myself, that actually worked. First time I did this, it like ruined. I was doing like all different kinds, but I guess the laundry detergent that I used worked pretty good. So I would do like Dawn, not Dawn, yeah, Dawn